I was born in South Africa and I was educated in South Africa. I completed my undergraduate degree there. I started in the immigration business because I was studying here at law school and I needed to fix my own visa. In 1996 I moved to Australia where I helped develop an immigration practice for a Big Four. That exposed me quite significantly and had a very big impact on my career because it gave me a deep understanding as to the pace of business in the Asia-Pacific region. When I moved back to the United States to join the Fragomen firm, since that time, based upon the expansion of the practice, I have been fortunate enough to be able to travel extensively to many countries. Each trip gives me the opportunity to truly understand what it is that occurs in that particular country, which in turn could lead to being a potential market for the services of our clients, which in turn gives our firm the opportunity to take advantage of the market opportunities in our sphere of influence.